Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your name or your username on a mobile in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you want to, don't be in Twitch application. Open Google Chrome and you want to open Twitch TV here. When you will have it, go to right top corner and here you want to click desktop site. When you will have it, go to right top corner to your profile when you log in. And then just click here on settings. And you're gonna see right here. And now you can simply change your username and display here. And then just click save changes. So display name 1, 2, 3. And I would simply save changes. And this is how we do it. So yeah, or you can update the username here. But I don't want to, of course, but this is how we do it. So you need to go through the Google, through the Chrome, and just right click here and go to desktop site, and you will see the Twitch as a desktop, and then you can simply change the username. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask in down in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.